next unboxing we have is this. The ShiftCam Snapgrip Creator Kit. Snapgrip. It's got MagSafe magnetic connection to the phone. It has a EOS style grip that connects to the phone, and it has a ring light, tripod / selfie stick. It's pretty cool the way that it's set up, and it should be pretty cool to work with the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's get it over. Let's see what it looks like. I got this on a Kickstarter program. It was one of the first ones they made. Well, yeah, from this first series, I pre-ordered it. But they have a Snapgrip Pro, which doesn't have all the cool doohickeys. This one has the ring light and the selfie stick and tripod, which the other one doesn't have, so that's a plus. Warranty card, quick start guide. It doesn't say anything about a 13 or a 14, it just says 13 Pro Max. So I'm gonna hope that it still fits my phone. Let's see. Oh, I forgot it comes with a nice case. Feels like quality. Here is the grip and button. It's already got some juice. This is the light. Wow. That's pretty cool. Does it twist off? I think it's magnetic. Yep, it's magnetic. It feels pretty secure. Let's see how it fits on here. Oh, like a glove. What is this? Magnets? A Snapgrip. Yeah. That's pretty awesome. Feels nice in the hand. Pretty sturdy. The light fits on there, can snap up, spin around. I think it's on. Yeah, I have no idea how to work this thing yet. This guy connects to here. Oh, it's charging my phone. Charging. Nice. This connects on here somehow. What is this? Oh, magnetic plate. And then this is the selfie stick part, I guess. Ah, now I remember. This guy snaps off, snaps on, snaps in. I think I paid $150 for this on the website. It seems pretty nice. It's a little interesting. Feels a little wonky. I don't know if I like that. Being so wobbly like that. Tighten it up. Yeah, it's still really loose. Interesting. The case and the Snapgrip are nice, but this tripod, probably not my favorite. It's still moving. I've tightened it. I don't want to break it, but I'll just set that aside. That snaps on there. Selfie mode. What's it say? Snapgrip. Press. Pulse. Bluetooth. Connect wireless shutter. Let's try it. Set up my phone. But yeah, we got power indicator lights on the side. Feels pretty secure except for this little wobbly part. There's gotta be some way to tighten this up. I had one of these before and it was a ball type and I had to put a dime in it to make it tight enough. Creak. That doesn't sound too healthy. Yeah, not my favorite toy. It doesn't tighten much after that. Disappointment. I thought this would be cool, but it's not very cool. I think this grip might be nice, but the stick is really loose. Yeah, that's not good. Angle adjustment installation. Just says tighten it, but you don't want to tighten it too much. Yeah, that's pretty janky. That's a disappointment. Feels like it's gonna break. This thing's really loose. Not the best design. I would have to give this Shift Cam Snapgrip Creator Kit a thumbs down. I will be trying to return this because it's just, look at this. There's not even any weight on it. And it's already moving. It's tightened. It's as tight as it's gonna go without breaking. I mean, what do you do? That goes there. That goes there. I guess. I don't know. I'll give it some testing. Maybe with the magnet and full assembly it'll hold up better, but it doesn't really seem like it. I'll follow up with some more test videos. I don't even know if I can return this to wherever I got it from. Magnetic strip. Well, can't win them all. It's got a nice case. Fits in here. It's supposed to charge up my gadget, and the light doesn't stay on there. Does it? It does. Nice. Yeah, the grip itself I think I like. But this stick is not the best. It's pretty loose. But maybe with the issues. Maybe there's something I could do. Like I said, I had that other tripod that I had to put a dime in the base of it to make it tight enough to not let it slide. But we'll see. What does this charge with? Yep, same cord. Shift cam. Stay tuned for some review videos, guys. I'm gonna get it all connected and I'll follow up with what it looks like. Stay tuned.